welcome to the Phonics Channel with me, Mr. Tom, and this is the home of phonics for adult learners who want to improve their pronunciation, their speaking and communication skills in English. So let's jump into today's lesson where we're going to the three sounds of E and D. Okay, E and D together can make three different sounds. Okay. You'll find it at the end of words, and it's usually, or mostly always, to show a word, a verb is being done in the past. Okay, so it allows verbs to be past tense words, regular past tense words. Okay, so let's find the sounds of E and D, and the first sound this spelling pattern makes is D, 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 just like this singular letter, the D letter, D. Okay, so let's put this D sound into some words, and the first word is called. Called. O, U, D. Called. O, U, D. Called. I called my friend on the phone. Okay, called. 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 I called them on the phone. Here we have the O sound, A and L making the O sound. Called. Called. Okay, super. So that has how many letters? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters, and how many sounds? Called. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sounds for called. Okay, remember these are past tense words if it ends in E and D. Okay, so next one is cleaned. 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 Two adjacent consonants making the cl sound. Cleaned. Cleaned. I cleaned my room yesterday. Cleaned. Cleaned. Okay, super. So let's go on to the next one, which is enjoyed. Okay, enjoyed. 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 Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the Phonics channel so far, and I hope it's helped you as well. Enjoyed. Enjoyed. Okay, so remember these are all past tense words, and these particular ones ending in ed make the D sound at the end. So let's go through them all together again. Say it with me at home like always. D, D. Called. 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 Cleaned. 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 And enjoyed. 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 Okay, so let's go on to the second sound that ED makes now. Okay, so the second sound of E and D is the T sound. Okay, T, T, T. Okay, so sometimes at the end of ED words, past tense words, it makes the T sound. Okay, so let's put the T sound into some words. And the first one is fixed. 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 I fixed the light. Okay, the light wasn't working, I fixed it. Remember, these are words that have happened in the past, verbs that have happened in the past. Okay, I fixed the light bulb. Fixed. Fixed. 5 letters, 4 sounds. Okay, next one is kicked. 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 I kicked the ball. I kicked it. Kicked. I kicked the ball when I played football yesterday. Remember, it's a past tense word. Kicked. I kicked the ball. Okay, how many letters? 6 letters. How many sounds? Kicked. 4 sounds. Okay, and last one is helped. Helped. o, p, t, helped. H, e, o, p, t, helped. I helped my friend move to another apartment. I helped them. H, e, o, p, t, helped. I helped my friend up when he fell on the floor. Could be another sentence. H, e, o, p, t, helped. I helped them up. Okay, so let's go through them all again together. Say it with me like always. T, t, t. Fixed, ixed, fixed. Kicked, icked, kicked. And helped, h, e, o, p, t, helped. Okay, so those are the two ways to say ed, d, and t. And then there's a third one which we'll go on to now. And the final sound E and D makes at the end of words is the id sound. Id, id, id. Okay, so let's put the id, ed sound into some words then, some past tense verb words. Okay, and the first one is started. Started. Id. Started. 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 I started my work a week ago. Okay, remember these are past tense words. Started. Started. Two adjacent consonants making the st sound. Started. Started. Okay, next one is needed. Needed. Id. Needed. I needed some help with the beautiful drawings, okay, from my mother. I needed her to do all of the beautiful artwork. Id. Needed. I also needed my brother to help me with the music as well, so it's a whole family venture. Id. Needed. I needed the help. Okay, how many letters? 6 letters. How many sounds? Id. 4 sounds. Needed. And finally, painted. 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 I painted a beautiful picture. Painted. Painted. Okay, we've got the A sound here as well. Okay, painted. Super, so let's go through them all again together. Say it home with me, like always. Id. Started. 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 Needed. Needed. And painted. Painted. Super, so now we know that the ed at the end of words to make words talk about what's happened already and in the past, it can be d, t, and id. It just depends on the word. Okay, thank you very much for joining me today on the Phonics channel, and hope to see you next time. Goodbye. So, thank you for watching. Please remember to leave a like on the video. Like the video. And remember to subscribe so you can see future videos. Subscribe. Also share it with your friends so they can improve their phonics as well. Share. And feel free to leave a comment on the video as well. Comment. Thank you very much.